city passing by my window.
Alright, grab our stuff, let's go.
Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it.
Yeah, oh, it's a Wyndham.
Oh, okay. World Mark. So there's a lot of different Wyndham branches.
Yes.
We are with World Mark. Then turn left. I thought you were with Hilton. Hello. Yes.
Last name?
Taamu, Taamu.
Gonna be that orange tower straight ahead.
Thank you.
Orange tower. That one?
I thought we were staying in a I thought we were staying in
Wat stabiel in mijn arm. Stabiel.
Yeah. Mom, I thought we were staying in a We are. Once.
Allemaal is laag. How hard is it? 80? 91, oh. 91 degrees. Oh, good waterfall.
Well, if anything,
Alright, we made it.
let's go to the beach.
Wow, pretty windy today.
It's good enough for you guys. I can swim with 10 Look at that.
Just gonna look and come back in, alright? Oh, that's nice.
That kid won't move his head.
Not that big, but it's alright.
Hello there. Let's go on that side.
Oh, there's multiple pools.
Yeah, over there. Bro, it only goes up to 5 feet.
Alright, let's go.
We
Let's
have to
go
go
to
to
the
the volleyball court and the basketball court.
I think that's a different hotel.
Hey Mongo, you missed these spots on the back.
Oh, that's the volleyball. You can actually go play with that, Kelly.
Oh, yeah, you're not going to. What do you mean, boy? Do you have a golf course? I mean, there's a
Mini golf.
Chess court.
That's not chess.
Oh, I don't think they're like teenagers. They're like your age, Kelly.
Yeah, I'm a teenager too, just so you know.
Oh yeah, Cameron too.
They look like that.
I'm not gonna go in there. I'm just gonna record. Yeah.
It is a beaver pool, but
Oh, this is smaller though. It's smaller.
we're gonna go play volleyball, guys. We're gonna go play volleyball.
Well,
Where's the basketball
I
court?
don't know about now. I'm hungry. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. No.
To turn left onto North Ocean Boulevard.
It's like Venus. Yeah. No, that's not fair. It was right in front of your face.
We can't even see her air.
Oh, they get the
Right onto Northeast Third Street.
they get the
Then turn right
crocodile.
onto North Pompano Beach Boulevard.
You guys just kept looking
I
at your
spy
side.
with my little eyes turning brown.
It's like a, oh, here's the Pompano Beach.
Ah, there you go.
In 200 feet,
I
turn
spy
left
with
onto
my
North Pompano
little
Beach Boulevard.
eyes.
This is Papa nga.
Where's the walk? I don't want to sign us. Det är mål på er.
Yeah, Mom, I think it's out of. You'll overdress. Let's see if we can go get up to I just don't feel
Is that the beach house? That, very nice.
Never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're
That seems
making
like
me
fun.
wholehearted. Together, together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off
You
the
got a burger too,
subway
Mom?
I
nowhere.
got the double.
Warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it.
Alright, get ready.
How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together, together it's always better. I don't
You want to record?
Nothing there.
Alright, good morning from the Sunshine State. We are here in Pompano Beach at our resort. Me and the little man Cruz taking a tour, walking tour of our property.
Where's the golf club stuff?
Yeah, it's Wyndham. Got a mini golf course here. And volleyball, where we played yesterday.
The chest.
Oh yeah, they got that chess game over there.
Say my name. I'm in the say my name. I'm in the say my name.
no, I'm good.
Alright, what we doing here, Uma?
Today we're about to go eat some seafood.
Seaside Grill.
Yeah, with this
Alright, we're here for lunch.
Piki bar.
Day 2 here in Florida, Sunshine State.
Yeah.
With the crew. What do you think of the ski ride, Kelly?
It was good. I liked it. I loved it.
I like it. I love it. Hey, you can pull up the umbrella.
Nah, let's open it. Hey, I need a tan.
Alright, guys. Call me. I'll be right back with you guys, alright? Alright.
What's the cheeseburger from?
Ah, mas pouillant.
Ooh, I want some pineapple.
Em mua sao mua cái mày? Em mua phở. Mua lấy sao mua? Nej, det vill jag killa in. Kelly! Morning! Alright, good morning. Last full day here in Florida. About to go to the beach again and maybe end up back here at our hotel pool. Alright, it's about 9:20 in the morning. Should be in the 80s today here in Pompano Beach. Yeah.
It's gonna be a hot day.
I don't like you.
Where'd they go, Cameron? I don't know. I couldn't find them.
What are you getting, Emma?
I'm getting the Belgium style waffle with cherry coffee. I think.
I'm getting the ice cream batter French toast with chocolate milk.
Huh. Ooh, juice or soda? No. I want strawberry lemonade.
back at the beach for our dinner, and then we're gonna go home tomorrow. We're going to the beach house for dinner. Foi o language nga di kami. Foi. Saka kabi. Alright, spring break coming to the end, Kelly. Going home tomorrow. Why are you dragging your feet, Cameron? Look over your feet. Is this a beach house? I heard this is like the popular restaurant here, Kelly. The beach house? It's like the most popular restaurant here. Yeah. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. This is it, Kelly. Oh wow. That's nice. Follow là ông đấy không?
So we're about to eat our food, and
Where are we?
oh, we're at the beach house in Florida, Pompano Beach.
Pompano Beach. You know this city is named after a fish.
There's a thing that's called a Pompano fish. Pompano fish? Oh, that's cool. I never heard of that.
Me either.
Huh?
Me either. I haven't seen the Pompano fish.
Yeah. But if you look at the sign, when you go in Pompano Beach, there's a sign that says Pompano Beach and it shows a fish. And I think that's a Pompano fish. And see you next time in the next video. Hopefully it's good. Bye.
Okay, I'm here with Cruz. Okay, finish the lyrics. Piki, 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 Piki.
What's up? Biggie, 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 biggie. No, 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 no.
Sauna fale piki 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 le lo mai ka itange makua popone vale ia lua nu so ange o se ka vale piki 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 sauna fale piki 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 le lo mai ka itange makua popone vale ia lua nu so ange o se ka vale o ai alua sa vale ko luaso o ai la se sila ale masalo salo ke foi mai lo fe ko ai oi male amo le ai la pikira o kala sa o le nga wa uma se manga o le ko wa lo ka apiki alu lo ko fa ka kingo aku ngei la asu se si fanga faulele se piki fo i mai ngei fo i mai loa o le banga ele lo bali e fo i mai ya i lo lima o le fa ai lo piki fa abi uma kalina piki 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 saule fale piki 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 le lo mai ka ikangei makua pukune vale i alu so ango se ka vale piki 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 saule fale piki 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 le lo mai ka ikangei makua pukune vale i alu so ango se ka vale ki sau e ayo popo popo mo na sali ma fa fa te tonu